I wake up in full command of my energy. This is her default setting.
I'm going to remove them from the video. Like, it can literally be that easy. Okay, utilize all of those tips and I promise content creation will start to feel so much easier than it does right now.
Going back to my basic I am affirmations. Nothing compares to me. I am the best. No one is better than me. I am that I am. So once you are, goosebumps. Once you are with that source identity, all these worldly identities and beliefs that you have adopted, they don't hold true anymore. All right, now that that's done, you see how my voice has picked up and how my eyes are brightened. This is what happens when you let go of your old belief system. I can see a clear difference between how I started the video and how I am right now. My hands are moving more. I'm talking faster. I'm talking louder. I'm looking here and there. There's so much body language happening, right? That is the main character in me. Right, I've already stepped into her, and now there is no more belief, such old beliefs that now I read it back again. I sound boring. I sound uninteresting. That's not me. That's not me anymore. Right. All right. With that, my next task. Now that I've journaled, this part is finished, done and dusted. I'm gonna get ready. I think I've sat here too long with no makeup on, and I'm going to feel good because I'm the main character. Sunday, I step into the identity of the YouTuber. So, as a YouTuber, what does my Sunday look like? It's almost 10. Time to go for my morning walk, which is very important. I need to get out of this pretty beautiful pink PJs. Put some light makeup on. It's beautiful weather out there, the sun, and I'm going to take you guys with me. Time to blow out the candle. Let's go. This evening, Sunday evening, I've got something very exciting planned for myself. It's going to be a movie date. So it'll probably be popcorn, and it'll be some cheese and crackers and olives, and I've got watermelon and strawberry. I'll make a whole platter for myself, and it's going to be a slumber night party with myself. So hang in there and watch what it looks like. In my head, it's going to be beautiful with me and my dog, and with the blankets and the movie. I haven't decided which movie to watch yet, but we'll get there. Happy Sunday, my loves. It's a bright day here in Australia and the perfect time to set our theme for the week. So this week, it's all about letting go of old beliefs and stepping into your new identity. Just like spring, we are going to bloom into the new you who holds brand new beliefs, has got fresh energy, and the whole new way of showing up. That's it. I took 2 takes on that, so we'll see which one is good. While I'm walking, I do habit stacking. So basically part of my 75 hard journey, I got to do workouts. So I'll be doing 2 walks, and I'm going to go for my walk now. And while I work, I actually work and walk, right? I dictate to ChatGPT. We create scripts. We create so much. I mean, it's constant content creation. All right. Yeah. So let's go.
Use settings, content preferences, reset suggested.
All right. So select the video. Okay, I just remembered that I need to do this little task which I have been procrastinating because it's not on my urgency list. However, it's a commitment thing. and all they wanted is like a testimonial, and I have got it written down, scripted and everything, but I've been putting it off, and that's not right. And as this YouTuber, content creator identity, she'll never do that. She won't do that. She will keep her promises. She will keep her commitment. This is a sign that it is all happening, you know. So it's always that, who are you being and what meaning are you giving to anything? For me, I am being the YouTuber, the content creator already. And what meaning am I giving to this is that she would actually get it done. So I'm going to get done right after my lunch. I'm going to sit down, and while I'm lunching, I'm gonna just finish my script. You know, this is how I want my life to be, completely like full-time content creating, you know, full-time job. And I can't wait to hand in my resignation and say, hey, I make double of what I make now, so I quit. Oh my God, even saying that, it's like, I quit. Recording starts. The event itself was nothing short of life-changing. From the moment I walked in, the energy was powerful and supportive. All done, completed. Now I'm just stitching them all together with the questions and make it into one full video before I send it to Georgia. That's a lot of work done today. I'm so proud. I've just quickly changed because I think it's gonna get chilly around evening. It's still spring, and that's the beauty of spring, right? The days are so bright and nice and sunny, and by the time it's 5, it starts reminding you that we just had winter. Remember, don't forget the feeling. And this has been the most beautiful Sunday ever. Number one, because this is my first vlog for my channel, and I finally got the courage to just press the play button and just consider that you guys are all my best friends, and I really want to share this beautiful life with you, and the journey, the ups and downs, the breakthroughs, the healing, and the mess, the chaos, and again the fun and exciting and celebrations part as well. So that is what this channel is going to be about, the true authentic me. This is me in my element, you know. Of course my language is missing here, Hindi. I should probably have a playlist on English. I hope you have enjoyed it this far, and stay tuned just to have a look at what my night celebration looks like. Solo date with myself, solo slumber party with myself, movie night, popcorns, cheese, crackers on the bed and with blankets, and that's going to be, already I'm feeling so relaxed. So stay tuned for that. I just got back and got the groceries done, and I got myself some flowers because it's a date night with the most beautiful person in the world, which is me, and I'm so excited. Here's me setting the staging area, and Cooper's going to be my company. He's got some snacks for himself as well. Let's go get the snacks. So I've got the salami, the spicy one. I've got some nachos and crackers. Because it's just me. This is still a lot. Obviously, it's just for nice decoration. Don't think I'm gonna finish all of that. That's Cooper wanting his dento sticks. Look how cute. And I've got some protein balls, which is a chocolate protein ball, and some dark chocolate with the almond in it. And this I did not like. That's blue cheese. I thought it's brie, but it's not. It's blue cheese, and I do not like it. So bitter, but maybe I'll just give it a go. It might grow on me.
Once upon a long time ago,
Made of is nothing you can do. know that your Sunday was well spent if you ended it with a date with your girls.